Hi, my name is Mark Calcavecchia. I've been a professional golfer for over 40 years now. Played the PGA Tour for 32 years, and now I'm on my 13th year of the PGA Tour Champions. And last March, both of my knees somehow started hurting at the exact same time. They got worse and worse and worse, so I call up Dr. Noble, and he says, yep, you're a candidate for full knee replacements for sure. It's been 4 months since then. I've been playing and practicing golf for over a month now, and going back to work on the Champions Tour next week. So it's easy to get up and out of chairs and things. I can walk normally for pretty much as long as I want, and that's really cool. It's nice to be able to walk pain-free. So yeah, just get up normal as can be and take right off. And I can walk fast, slow, and off I go.